Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make this super delicious party pleasing goat meat pepper soup. Kindly watch to the end and like this video so others can see it. And these are the ingredients I'll be using for this goat meat pepper soup. I have my goat meat already washed, scent leaves, EHURU, that's the pepper soup spice, salt and bouillon cube. I have cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, onions, ginger. I have garlic, and I'm going to first of all go ahead and toast this pan, roast this for a while. I added a little vegetable oil to pan roast this properly. This is a way of infusing more flavor to the pepper soup and giving it that brilliant color that is different from the regular pepper soup that you know. So I'm done pan roasting my peppers and onions, garlic and ginger. I'll scoop this out and blend it. So while I'm done blending, I'll turn my clean goat meat into a clean pot and start to season my goat meat. First of all, add my bouillon cube and salt. If your goat meat is the strong one, you add only salt and cook it till it's soft before adding bouillon cube and other things, other ingredients. But mine is male goat and it takes literally few minutes to cook. That's why I'm adding everything together. So I add my blended onions, garlic, ginger, pepper mix, and I'll go ahead and cook it. It's already soft. So after cooking it till it's soft, I'm adding my blended EHURU, my pepper soup spice, to my goat meat pepper soup. If you watch this video to this very time, don't forget to like this video so others can see it. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you will see my other videos. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. The next thing I'm adding is crayfish. You ensure that you don't add too much. It has to be a little crayfish, guys, just to add in some more flavor to your pepper soup. I want to especially thank my returning subscribers. At this point, I taste my pepper soup and it's perfect. Go ahead and add in scent leaves. And this is the last thing we are adding to this pepper soup. Guys, this pepper soup is nice. I want to recommend that you try this as one of your Christmas menu this Christmas, and your family will love it. Everyone will love it. Your in-laws, your guests will love it. This is a special recipe, different from the regular goat meat pepper soup. Recreate this recipe and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know if you like this one or you like your regular goat meat pepper soup. I want to especially thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.